Hi folks, coming to you about Relay for Life 2018. Just want to take a minute to remind and refresh with some of you. It's been 9 years that I have been working with the American Cancer Society, the Relay for Life organization in St. Cloud, which is this year expanding to cover all of Osceola County. And I just want to, as I have done in the past, ask for your generosity. The American Cancer Society cannot continue its research, cannot continue to develop the cures that it has developed over the years. And believe me, in the 9 years that I've been with the Relay for Life, I've seen some very, very sad situations where colleagues of ours, friends of ours, have not been able to win the battle. But at the same time, I've seen many instances where those battles are being won. But it's still a fight. It's still a war against that dreaded disease. So please, I ask for your donations, whether it be $1 or whether it be 100. Whatever you can afford to donate to the cause is always very helpful. Thank you. I appreciate it, and looking forward to a successful Relay for Life 2018.